am Sadashiva. Back to a new lesson. Well, today's session we are going to learn Java coding standards. It is highly recommended to follow coding standards. Whenever we are writing any component, the name of the component should be reflect the purpose and or a functionality. Now I am discussing with the some of the coding standards. Coding standards for classes. Usually class names are nouns. Should starts with upper letters and if it contains multiple words, every inner word should starts with uppercase letters. For example, string. It is a class name. Customer. It is a class name. Object. It is a class name. Student. It is a class name. Next, coding standard for the interfaces. Usually interface names are adjectives. Should starts with uppercase letters and if it contains multiple words, every inner word should starts with uppercase letters. For example, I can show some interface names. Serialization, Serializable, sorry, serializable, runnable, clonable. These are the some interface names which is followed by standards of Java. Next, coding standards for methods. Usually method names are either verbs or a verb noun combination. Should starts with lower character and if it contains multiple words, every inner word should starts with uppercase letter. For example, run. It is a method name. Sleep. It is the method name. Eat. It is also a method name. Drink. It is also a method name. Get name. It is also one of the method name. Set salary. It is also a one method name. Here, get name. Get name contains two verb and noun. Get is a verb and name is a noun. If it is a multiple words, every inner word should be starts with uppercase letter. Here get is the one word and the name is the another word. Next, coding standards for the variables. Usually variable names are nouns. Should starts with lower alphabet symbol and if it contains multiple words, every inner word should starts with uppercase letters. I can show you some of the variable names examples. See here, length, name, salary, age, mobile number. These are the some of the variable names which is followed by the Java coding standards. Now, coding standards for constraints. Usually constraints are nouns. Should contains only upper characters And if it is contains multiple words, then these words are separated with underscore symbol. Usually we can declare constraints by using public static final modifiers. For example, max underscore value, min underscore value. These are the some of the constraints which is followed by the Java coding standards. Next, Java Bean coding standards. A Java Bean is a simple Java class with private properties and public getter and setter methods. For example, public student bean. This is the student bean is a class name, and private string is a data type and the name is a variable. Now I am creating a setters and getters. Public void set name of string is a data type, name, this dot name is equal to name. Public string get name, return name. Now I can discuss uh, about syntax for setter methods. Here this is a setter method. This is the getter method. Now I am discussing about syntax of setter method. Method name should be prefixed with set. It should be a public. Return type should be void. Compulsory, it should take some arguments. Now I am discuss with get method. The method name should be prefixed with get. It should be public. Return type should not be void. It always no argument method. For a boolean properties, the getter method can be prefixed with either get or is. Now I am discussing about coding standards for listeners. Method name should be prefixed with add. For example, public void add my action listener of my action listener I. This is a valid. Public void register my action listener of my action listener. This is invalid. Why? Because listen, listener must be prefixed with add. Then only it's a valid. Now public void add my action listener of action listener I. It is a invalid. Why? Because here is the difference. It needs to take same class. To unregister the listener, the method name should be prefixed with remove. See here, remove. Public void remove my action listener of my action listener I. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.